I am the owner of Attractive Home. We are a residential cleaning company who takes a very holistic approach at what we do. We use all non-toxic products. We have an amazing established team. We've been around for 11 years. And yeah, I've had a lot of bottlenecks and a lot of issues technically. And then Marblism came along. So
that's good.
Yeah.
No. I mean, how was your experience with Marblism? Like the first week?
Well, I went to an event in Linwood and there was this guy called the Data Guy. And I think you guys know who he is because someone at the Tacoma event knew who he was. And I've never seen someone so enthusiastic about data. And so we got in a breakout room with him. And then the question came up, what is the one thing? What is the one technical thing you would recommend us all to get? And he said, oh, hands down, Marblism. And my friend and I look at each other. We're like, okay, we're doing that. So next day we signed up and we're like, wow, this is super affordable. That was my first thing. Because I shouldn't say this. I have a really famous mentor who I have paid $700 a month for very similar things. And the amount I'm paying for Marblism is a fraction of that. So first of all, price was like, woohoo, okay. And then I'm a very visual person. I'm a very creative person. And that's one thing that's really hard on the tech end for me is to navigate things. But when you can spell it out and you give it a name and a personality, it's like, I've got this. And my brain has just exploded. That sounds gross. Okay, my vision has just grown so much since using Marblism. It's phenomenal.
No, it's great. What's one thing you'd never go back after experiencing Marblism?
For me was, okay, so I had real issues with my social media. Like I wear many, many hats, right? And I've tried one of my mentors' companies. I'm like, I'm going to pay the big bucks and have them do it. It was horrible. It was generic and horrible. And I looked at all these other similar companies and they were posting the exact same thing on all of our social. And I'm like, okay, they're done. And then I hired a different guy and his stuff was not good. And then I hired another guy and it was so fake AI bad. So then I was like, okay, I'm going to do this myself because I have an avatar who is our lifestyle concierge. And that's the angle I want to go. I'm not just a cleaning company, right? We're a lifestyle. And so I started recording these videos and I hired my son's friend for $20 per post. And he would post them for me. And we got a lot of views. We got a lot of likes. We got a lot of traction, but I couldn't keep up. 2 simple posts, 2 simple little videos a week. And I couldn't keep up. So then we had nothing. And I'm like, okay, I'm going to try Sonny on Marblism. And oh my goodness, the things that he can do. So you coach him. So, cause he used to kind of bother me on Sundays. And I'm like, Sonny, I don't work on Sundays. Like you can tell him that. And so now we have a Monday morning meeting. Every Monday, he comes up with the 3 concepts. We discuss it. We critique it. I've discovered already real images work a little better, but he can fine tune them a little bit. Like we had a local senator here at a meeting last week and my pictures were horrible. And I'm like, Sonny, can you like improve these a little bit? Oh my gosh, they were beautiful. And then we work on the post together and he schedules it for Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Done. And then we have a meeting next Monday for the following. And if I have an idea, I can throw it at him. He's like, I got this. I got you. When do you want this posted? I think I'm crushing on Sonny a little bit.
Nice. I mean, I can tell he's your favorite from the team. Or do you have another one that's also your favorite?
Eva's also my favorite. She's just like my right-hand gal. I can tell her, I can ask her anything. I can have her remind me things. The simple basics. She organizes my inbox and she preps all my email correspondence for me. And she's already learning because of the brain, and I call them guardrails, because of what parameters I put in there. She knows my business so well. And I believe, she's looked at my website, she's looked at my past social. So she knows how I talk. I even use like the little sparkle emoji and she puts that in my emails for me.
She adds a touch. No, that's amazing. It's awesome to hear this. And so Celese, I really appreciate your time today. It's been wonderful learning about your business and how you use Marblism. What would you say, or what would you tell someone that's still like hesitating to try AI employees?
To lean in. I don't know. I had no fear. And honestly, I'm going to go back to the creativity and the color. And like, it brings me joy. I wasn't afraid. It wasn't like, "Rah, rah, rah," to just lean into it and give it a chance, because like I said, I've just been blown away by the amount, the tool. I'm not going to let it take over my world, but these tools that I have now is just phenomenal. So embrace it.